We're in the Looking Glass community of Parker, Colorado. I'm Courtney Murphy, Denver Metro Realtor. Join me today as we take a tour of the Sierra model by Dreamfinders Homes. Welcome inside. So when we first walk in, if you take a right, this is where you're going to find your home office here. Nice windows looking out into your front porch. Little hallway right here, coat closet, and down at the end there is where you're going to find your powder bath for the main floor. And this right here is the view you see when you're walking inside, right into your great room area there. We're gonna walk past the stairs leading to the basement, stairs leading upstairs, and this would be your entrance in from your garage. They have it set up as their sales center, but that's the garage. And then it opens up into the main living space right here. Here we are into the family room. You can see they feature the model with a fireplace, a couple windows on either side. Really nice light bright feel, as you can probably tell. Next thing here is your dining room space. You can see over this way the great big sliders here that are gonna lead out into your deck or patio. And then we're into the kitchen. Kitchen island here, 3 chairs comfortably pulled up. Sink and dishwasher right here in the island, so you can look out into the great room while you're, cleaning up or whatever. And this kitchen is not without a pantry. Got a little corner pantry here. Cute little kitchen. All right. That does it for the main floor. We're gonna head up the stairs here and see what's going on up there. Welcome upstairs. All right, we take a right. We're gonna find our secondary bedrooms and bathroom. First secondary bedroom here. Nice sized bedroom. Coming out into the hallway here. First thing we come to is the laundry room. You'll notice it's pretty roomy. This door right here leads to our next secondary bedroom. That window looks out towards the rear of the home. Secondary bathroom shared between the bedrooms up here. Got linen closet and final secondary bedroom. Alrighty, coming back down the hallway here, we're gonna pass by the stairs, and as you can see, right as we walk up the stairs is this nice loft. This is a really good sized loft, some big windows in here, and I like the fact that it's kind of closed off from the downstairs, so somebody could be watching TV up here and downstairs and probably not interrupt each other. This leads us into the primary suite. First thing I'm gonna show you here, look at this closet. It's great. Love how big it is. I'm a shopper, so I can appreciate that. All right, and into the bedroom here, that window looks out towards the front of the home. A couple cute windows over the bed there. And into the bathroom. Double sink vanity on this side. Nice big linen closet. Toilet closet, and right over here we find a shower. Nice tile work they did here in the model. All right, that's it for floor number 2. Now you do have the option to finish basements with Dreamfinders here at Looking Glass. They do have the basement finished here on the model, so let's go see what they did. Welcome to the basement. So down here, we got the great, bonus room here, spot to set up your TV area, some more space over here. Look, they got the pool table. This is a walkout basement, so one of the great things about a walkout basement, you can walk out of it. Light and bright, feels less basement-y, right? A little more space right over there. Got some door leading to some storage. All right, let's go back and see what's on this side of the stairs. Basement bathroom. And last but not least, basement bedroom. I know it's set up as a gym, but it's a bedroom. All right, again, my name is Courtney Murphy, Denver Metro Realtor. We're in Looking Glass in Parker, Colorado, looking at homes by Dreamfinders. Dreamfinders is a great builder. I've helped several people buy Dreamfinders homes, and everybody's been happy. So that's a good testament. And I have a lot of experience in new built home sales. So if you're shopping for a new built home or any home in the Denver area, give me a call. Love to walk by your side through the process, help you find the right home. If these may be the right homes, I'd love to meet you out here and also save you a little bit of money with my closing cost credit. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my home tours. Thanks for joining me today and have a super day.